Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Goldman Sachs application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and then type in Goldman Sachs and start your search. Once you find the Goldman Sachs application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Goldman Sachs application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is done, and when it is completed, you will see the open button. You can then tap on the open button to directly start using the Goldman Sachs application after logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Goldman Sachs application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.